Now we'll know how to insert new worksheet. So here at the bottom we can see that the name of this worksheet is Udemy training. So here we can see a plus button. So after clicking we can create a new sheet. So I'm clicking here. Now we can see a new sheet. So here the sheet name is sheet 10. So I have 9 working sheets. So whenever you click on this plus in your sheet, it will be sheet 2. So if you click another plus, then it will be sheet 11, then it will be sheet 12. So by this way, so if you want to rename the name of the sheet, just click rename, and like previous lecture you will change, like here I am writing student, so the name of the sheet will be changed here. So here we can change. So now I will show you how to delete a worksheet. So if you want to delete a worksheet, just click here and you can see that the delete option. Just click delete, then the student sheet will be deleted like this. I'm showing again. So you will click here on the above the sheet you want to delete, and then right click and then just click delete. The sheet will be deleted. Like this you can insert and delete new worksheet in your workbook.